हेलो। ओके, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ આગળ રોટા વાયરસ. રોટા વાયરસ આપણે લાસ્ટ ટાઈમ આપણે હેપેટાઇટિસ વાયરસનું ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન કમ્પ્લીટ કર્યું. હવે આપણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ છીએ રોટા વાયરસ વિશે. નેક્સ્ટ જેટલા પણ ટોપિક છે આપણે રોટા વાયરસ વિશે ભણીશું. તો રોટા વાયરસ આર ધ મેજર કોઝિસ ઓફ ધ diarrheal illness into the human infants into the world. કે શું કરે છે રોટા વાયરસ શું છે તો મેજર કોઝિસ કરે છે ડાયરિયલ ઇલનેસને હ્યુમન બીંગ ઓર ઇન્ફન્ટ્સની અંદર અને વર્લ્ડ વાઇડ કોઝ કરવા માટે. ઇલનેસ મીન્સ કઈ ટાઈપની ઇલનેસ છે? ડાયરિયલ ઇલનેસ છે. રોટા વાયરસ મેજર ફોર્મ છે. Adults too can get the infected. Adults are also infected due to of the rotavirus infections. Now young animals, cows, piglets can also be infected. Means it is called as what the students say zoonotic transmitted disease, that is called as what the animal, cows, piglets can also infect the human being. Rotavirus seasonal impact. What are the seasonal impact during of the rotavirus? The rotavirus infected spread easily. Means કેવું છે સ્ટુડન્ટ છે સ્પીડ એની ઇન્ફેક્ટિયસ સ્પીડ એની કેવી છે એકદમ ઇઝીલી. Outbreaks usually occur in the winter and early spring, but about November and April. Most of એનું appearance એમાં છે તો winter આવે એની પહેલા, means early of the winter, during of the spring, and between the November and the April. This is the month to spreading. Because why? Because this is the ratio, that is the temperature form and the environmental causing factors were due to of the doubling factor observed into the rotavirus. That in the month of the April and to the November, the rotavirus replication form is very higher because of the nature of the rotavirus. Rotavirus infections often spread in settings where may children are together, such as the daycare centers. Means कि વધારે પડતા સમય છે કે many children ભેગા છે. Togetherness means कि such as the daycare centers. Most of the children are the centers માં ભેગા થાય. Daycare centers means कि જે baby જે કેર કરતા હોય સેન્ટર્સ હોય કે જેમાં એ ભેગા થાય, મીન્સ કે ગેધરિંગ ફોર્મ થાય એ જગ્યા પરથી સ્પ્રેડિંગ હાયર થઈ શકે છે. રાઈટ, ધેટ ઇઝ ધ વર્લ્ડ વાઇડ મેપ, વર્લ્ડનો મેપ છે કે જેમાં જે બ્લેક ડોટ્સ છે દેટ ઇઝ ઇન્ડિકેટેડ દેટ કે ઇન્ફેક્ટેડ ઓફ ધ રોટા વાયરસ આર ઇન્ફેક્ટેડ. એમાં ઇન્ડિયા તમે જોઈ શકો છો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કે હાઉ ઇટ્સ સ્પ્રેડિંગ હાયર ઇનટુ ધ ઇન્ડિયા. Characteristic of the rotavirus. What are the characteristic of the rotavirus? Hello, are you hearing me, students?
Yes, sir.
Understand properly, everybody? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Characteristic of the rotavirus. A rotavirus has a characteristic wheel-like appearance when viewed by electron microscope. ઇલેક્ટ્રોન માઇક્રોસ્કોપ દ્વારા આપણે એની સ્ટેનિંગ ફોર્મ કરીને બનાવીએ ત્યારે એ માઇક્રોસ્કોપીમાં કેવું અપિયરન્સ દેખાય છે? વ્હીલ શેપ. જે મેં ફિગર લીધી છે જે આપણે નેક્સ્ટ સ્લાઇડમાં જોઈશું કે એક્ઝેક્ટલી રોટાવાયરસનું અપિયરન્સ કેવું છે. The name rotavirus is derived from the Latin rota, meaning the wheel. રોટાવાયરસનું વર્ડ ક્યાંથી આવ્યો છે? wheel, means કે લેટિન વર્ડ રોટા means કે wheel, rotation, that is called as what a wheel. Rotaviruses are non-enveloped double-shelled virus. કેવું છે? That is a non-enveloped double-shelled virus. Double shell means કે જે કેપ્સોમર્સ છે કેવા ફોર્મમાં છે? ડબલ શેડ ફોર્મમાં. શિલ્ડ એમને ડબલ છે કેપ્સોમર્સના, but they haven't any type of the enveloping form observed around the virus. The genome is composed of 11 segments of double-stranded DNA. What are the genomic form? The genomic means the rotavirus that have contained the genomic strands observed into the rotavirus. That is the genomic strand which is going to be redundant connectivity forms is observed into the human being. That is the genomic form. The composing form means the genomic compose means the gathering form of the genome of the virulent form. That is called as the genome. We are talking about that composed type of the genome, so which is secrete toxical agents into the human beings. Why they? What the time of the infections are gathering from the affected site. So how many type of the segmented are observed into the genomic compose of the rotavirus? So there are the 11 segments of the double-stranded RNA. How many stranded? Double-stranded RNA. That is the causative factor. You know that the double-stranded RNA, that is the characteristic of the rotavirus. So what's the appearance are observed? The rotavirus is always observed into the double-stranded RNA. That is the classification. Please be remember, students, we are already studied. We did study RNA and DNA based off the classification of a virus. The double-stranded RNA, that is the type of the viral form. They have 11 segments which code for the 6 structural and the 5 non-structural protein. The virus is stable in the environment. The virus is stable environmental form is stable. So that is the structure of the rotavirus. That is rota means wheel-like appearance. That is the outer appearance, the shade form. Right? And the outer phenotypical appearance. This is the phenotypical appearance of the rotavirus. Classification of the rotavirus. What is the classification of the rotavirus? So how many types of the rotavirus and their serotypes are observed in that affected portions? Means कि જેટલું પણ ટોક્સિકલ સિક્રેશન્સ થઈ રહી છે અને જેટલા પણ ડિસીઝ ઓબ્ઝર્વ થયા છે mutation formations are observed into the rotavirus that are called as what are classification of the rotavirus. Rotavirus are classified as a 5 species A to E. કેટલી species છે એમની 5 species છે A to E. Two other species are tentatively identified F and G. બીજી another species tentatively identified થઈ છે કઈ છે F and G. Structure of the rotavirus. What is the structure of the rotavirus? The antigenic classification mainly dependent on structural protein VP6. Antigenic classification mainly સરી પર depend કરે છે ના structure ઉપર. Obviously we were discussed into the virus classifications કે આપણે જોયું હતું કે viralatic classification માં observed કર્યું હતું કે જેમાં આપણે વાત કરેલી સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કે structural VP6. What is called as the structural VP6 dependence form? કે જે જોઈએ antigenic structure કે that is the strains name who are admitted in our body, the type of the mutations related to the rotavirus and infected introduced in our body, and that causes the effectivity of the toxical agents in our body. That are the dependence group. Group A is the important human pathogen. What are the group A is the important human pathogen which is caused for the disease. Most important outer capsid protein VP4 and VP7 are carry epitopes important in neutralizing the antibody. Outer જેટલા પણ capsid proteins છે એમાં VP4 અને VP7 carry કરે છે epitopes. Now હવે આપણે epitopes વિશે સમજી ગયા છે કે what is called as the epitopes and adjuvants. So adjuvants and epitopes are the binding portions which is observed into the antigen antibody reaction કે જે આપણે epitopes જે છે એ binding capacity શું કરે છે increase કરે છે, right? Structural configuration of the rotavirus. What are the configuration of the rotavirus? That is the VP1, VP4, that are outer capsid capsiomas form is observed into the VP2, VP4, and the neutralization form. Pathogenicity. What is the pathogenicity of the rotavirus? Most important. Pathogenicity means ki virulence capacity. What is the virulence formations is observed into the pathogenicity. The virus is infected the villi of the small intestine. Gastric and colonic mucosa are not infected. They multiply in the cytoplasm of the enterocytes and damage their transport mechanism. Multiply શેમાં કરે છે cytoplasm માં અને enterocytes and damage the transport the mechanism કે જે damage કરે છે transport mechanism ને કાઢે. Means કે cytoplasm માં જેટલું પણ transport form થાય છે because cytoplasm પછી શું આવશે plasma membrane. That is the reason behind whatever type of the secretions of the antigen antibody or bacterial any microorganisms capacitance are attached with the plasma membrane and then transport into the cytoplasm to nucleus. That is the cause of the cytoplasmic and enterocytes and the damage the transport mechanism. The rotavirus હવે તમે સમજી શકો છો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કે સાયટોપ્લાઝમ ની અંદર જો અફેક્ટિવિટી અને ટ્રાન્સફર મેમ્બ્રેન દ્વારા જેટલા પણ અફેક્ટિવિટી પોર્શન્સ જો વધારે જોવા મળતા હોય તો તમે સમજી શકો છો કે જેટલું પણ ટ્રાન્સપોર્ટ મિકેનિઝમ જે છે એ બધું શું થાય છે ડેમેજ થાય છે. The rotaviral encoded particles NSP4 is a viral enterotoxin and induce the secretions by triggering a single transduction pathway. કે રોટાવાયરસ અહીં કયા એન્કોડેડ કરશે NSP viral particles ની સાથે અને enterotoxin and induces the secretions by trigger the signal transduction pathway. જે signaling transduction pathway આપે છે પ્લાઝ્મા મેમ્બ્રેન દ્વારા સાયટોપ્લાઝમ માં બધાને શું કરે છે ઇન્ડ્યુસ કરે છે. Damaged cell may show into the lumen of the intestinal and release a large quantities of the virus which appear into the stool. કે ડેમેજ જેટલા પણ સેલ છે એ સમય જો lumen માં જોવા મળશે જે intestinal release large quantities of the virus which appears into the stool કે જે સમય જોવા મળે છે stool ની અંદર ઓબ્ઝર્વ માં આવશે. Viral excretions means ki stool માં કેમ આવશે because undigested food means ki most of it's a food contamination disorder જે pico oral route દ્વારા most of transmission છે અહીંયા જેટલા પણ આપણે સ્ટડી કરી રહ્યા છે સ્ટુડન્ટ બધા જ કહેવાય છે gastritic viral infections ના પાર્ટ્સ છે most of કે જે stool માં appear થશે because of the fecal oral route transmission. Viral excretions usually last for 2 to 12 days in otherwise healthy patients. Excretions, virus excretion usually કેટલા days લે છે? 2 to 12 days otherwise healthy patients. કે જે healthy patient ની અંદર સર્વાઈવ થયા હતા તો કેટલા ડેઝમાં એની એક્ટિવિટી સ્ટાર્ટ કરે છે, એનું ઇન્ક્યુબેશન પીરિયડ કેટલો છે? 2 to 12 days. Why diarrhea in the rotaviral infection? Why it's causing for the diarrheal rotaviral infection? So we have to understand the mechanism, that is the villi portion of the intestinal portion, that is the diarrhea caused by the rotavirus may due to impaired sodium and glucose absorptions and damaged cell on the villi are replaced by non-absorbing immature Krebs cell. Means ki whatever type of the villi have absorbed according to the physiological condition, normal physiological condition, villi portion is always absorb the digested food around that portion, but in the portion of these rotaviral infections, the villi portion will not absorb that digested food into that villi portion, and due to of that reason it will be converted into the crust type of the cell, and it is not digestible in manner. That is the reason behind diarrhea formations is observed. Immunity observed into the rotaviral infection, that is a natural immunity. So by age of the 3 years, 90% of the children have a serum antibodies to one or more type. Means કે at the age of the 90% of age જે છે એ કયા છે? children's ની અંદર appear થશે serum antibodies કે જે more types observed is here. Younger children suffer up to the 5 reinfections by the 2 years of the age. Younger children, જેમ young children હોય એમાં વધારે પ્રકારના rotaviral infections ના causing factor, proliferation factor દેખાય. Secretory immunoglobulin A or interferon are important in protection against rotaviral infection. Secretory form શું છે કે immunoglobulin A અને interferon જે important protection કરે છે rotaviral infection અરાઉન્ડ. Impact of the rotaviral infection. So rotavirus is the most common cause of severe diarrhea among the children, resulting in hospitalization of approximately 55,000 children each year in the US state and the death of over the 600,000 children annually worldwide. The incubation period of the rotavirus disease is approximately 2 days. The disease is characterized by vomiting and watery diarrhea for 3 to 8 days, and the fever and abdominal pain occur frequently. Immunity after infections is incomplete, but repeat infections tends to be less severe than the original infection. Impact શું કરે છે કે રોટાવાયરસ કોમન છે, સિવિયર જે છે ચિલ્ડ્રન્સમાં ડાયરિયા કોઝ કરે છે, resulting into the hospitalization, that is approximately 55,000 children ને શું કરે છે યુએસ સ્ટેટની અંદર death થાય છે. That is the reason behind of the rotavirus. Most of the outbreaks rotavirusનો યુએસમાં જોવા મળેલો છે. Annually 600,000 people are observed into the United States. Incubation period for the rotavirus approximately 2 days. What are the 2 days after that infected portions started their activity in our human body features. Disease is characterized by vomiting and watery diarrhea for the 3 to 8 days. Which are the form? The diarrhea causing after the 3 to 8 days. The fever and the abdominal pain occurs frequently. The fever and the abdominal pains consequently are observed during the rotaviral infection after the 2 days of the incubation period, and then after the physiological symptoms are observed after the portions are affected. Immunity after infections is incomplete, but repeat infection tends to be less severe than the original infection. The repeated type of the infections tend to be less severe, and then the original infection is there. Rotaviral infections damage intestine. The pathogens example rotavirus may strip the tips of the villi from large patches of the intestinal wall, thus the decreasing the surface area and decreasing by the more than 50% the specific absorptive capacities of the intestine. The result is malabsorptions which can cause the malnutrition, most especially in a children's already nutritionally compromised by repeated previous attack of the diarrhea. Again શું કરે છે કે pathogenesis form જે છે, pathogenesis means infection species causing factor. As example, rotavirus may strip the tip of the villi from the large patches of the intestine wall, કે જે large patches intestinal wall નો absorb થશે, thus decreasing the surface area. જેનો surface area કેવો કરશે? decrease કરશે more than 50% of the specific absorptive capacity of the intestine. The result is malabsorption. Result કેવું છે? malabsorption which can malnutrition, most is especially in children already nutritionally compromised by repetitive previous attack of the diarrhea. Clinical findings. What are the clinical findings? The rotavirus can cause the major event of the diarrheal disease in children and infant of the worldwide. કે મેજર ઇવેન્ટ કોઝ કરશે ડાયરિયા ડિસીઝની કે જે ચિલ્ડ્રન અને ઇન્ફન્ટ્સમાં વર્લ્ડવાઇડ ઓબ્ઝર્વ થશે. ઇન્ક્યુબેશન પીરિયડ ઇઝ 1 to 3 days. કેટલો છે ઇન્ક્યુબેશન પીરિયડ? 1 to 3 days નો છે. પ્રેઝન્ટ વિથ watery diarrhea, fever, abdominal pain, vomiting leading to dehydration, loss of the electrolytes and the fluid may be the fatal unless the treated patients with the milder disease recovers promptly in 3 to 8 days. Presentation શું છે? Present with the watery diarrhea, fever, abdominal pain, vomiting leading to dehydration, loss of the electrolytes and the fluids because of the heavy diarrheatic conditions is there. That is the reason behind most of the electrolytic and the diarrheatic portions is excreted from our body due to of the rotaviral infections, which is caused for the GI tract infections, intestinal infection. Villi cannot be absorbed a digestive food into the villi portions, and the undigested food will be secreted via the excretory system. Patients with the milder disease recover promptly in the 3 to 8 days. કેટલા કરે છે કે patients milder disease recovery into the 3 to 8 days. That is the one of the animated pictures I observed that ke sunken fontanelles means ki a few are no tears because of the over dehydration. Due to the reasons ki no watery molecules is observed in our normal body physiological condition. Dry mouth or the tongue, shrunken abdominal, decrease the skin trigger, એ ડિક્રીઝ કરશે શું સ્કિનનું ટ્રિગર. ટ્રિગર મીન્સ એટલે મીન્સ કે તમે એને જેમ ભરો મીન્સ કે તમે એને પકડો તો એવી એવી ઇમ્પ્રેશન ત્યાં આગળ બની જશે, એ રિલીઝ નહીં થાય. જેવું નોર્મલ પોઝિશનમાં હતી નોર્મલ બની શકશે નહીં. દેટ ઇઝ કોલ્ડ એઝ વોટ ડિક્રીઝ ધ સ્કિન ટ્રિગર મીન્સ કે જેટલી પણ કર્વ્સ બનશે ડ્યુ ટુ ઓફ ધ પકડો તમે એને જે કર્વ્સ બને એ કર્વ્સ એમને એમ રહેશે ડ્યુ ટુ ઓફ ધ ઓવર ડિહાઇડ્રેશન. Shrunken eyes and cheeks. Shrunken થઈ જશે eyes and the cheeks because of the rotaviral infection and the dehydration portion. Rotavirus have great impact on infants and the children then and now. Now it is પહેલા આપણને જોવા મળતું હતું સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ કે GI tract infections is always observed into the GI tract. Nowadays it is a generalized plasmaviremia. Plasmaviremia which is transmitted via the all over the body due to the plasma form. એવું કેમ? એનું રીઝન શું છે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ? બીકોઝ એનું રીઝન એક જ છે કે ફર્સ્ટ જે સ્પીસીસ હતી ઓનલી જીઆઈ ટ્રેક રિલેટેડ હતી અને બીજીની જે સ્પીસીસ હતી પ્લાઝ્મા રિલેટેડ. Rotaviral infections in immunosuppressed and others. In children with immunodeficiency, rotavirus cause severe and prolonged disease. In children immunodeficiency cause થશે rotavirus cause શું કરશે? severe અને long term ના disease cause કરશે. Adult sero converts but not manifest with the diarrhea. Severe શું કરશે? adult serotypes but not manifest with the diarrhea. However, in the close word severe disease can occur. In India and the China, large outbreak of the severe gastroenteritis have the occurred. Gastroenteritis means ki causing affected site of that portions, right? તો gastroenteritis ની જે સાઇટ છે જે gastroenteritis સાઇટના વિલાય પોર્શન ઉપર અફેક્ટ કરશે એમાં જઈને શું કરશે? સિવિયરિટી ડાયરેટિક કંડિશન જોવા મળશે. Laboratory diagnosis. What is the laboratory diagnosis? So microscopy, electron microscope demonstrated of the virus in stool help in early disease. Electron microscopy is made to identify simpler. Electron microscopy દ્વારા આપણે સાયટોપ્લાઝમિક મેમ્બ્રેનનું ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન વધારે સારી રીતે કરી શકીશું કે જે સેલના સાયટોપ્લાઝમ મિકેનિઝમને શું કરે છે? એ ડેમેજ કરે છે. ડ્યુ ટુ ધ રીઝન સેલ હંમેશા માટે કયા માઇક્રોસ્કોપમાં જોવાય? તો ઇલેક્ટ્રોન માઇક્રોસ્કોપ. દેટ ઇઝ ધ વન પિક્ચર ઓફ ધ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન માઇક્રોસ્કોપ bombarded observed here. Electron microscope you already studied in your first unit of the microbiology. What is the principle of the EM electron microscope? Other method in diagnosis, that is the virus can be demonstrated by the IEM immunoelectron microscope means ki immunological form antigen antibody reaction. Latex agglutination test. Latex agglutination test that is antigen antibody reaction and the substance E plus S plus product, E plus S plus I product. Latex agglutination test or ELISA can be detect antibodies and establish release into the titer. ELISA can detect because ELISA is always detect on the antigen antibody reactions, also substrate which is converted into the colored product, and it is indicated that the reaction is the positive. Genotyping. What is the genotyping? That is one type of the electrophoresis form. ELISA, that is the enzyme linked immunosorbent assay, that is used for the detection of the antigen antibody reaction. Each and every disease have a different antigen and antibody reaction form. Due to of that reasons, ELISA ELISA will be detected by the different type of the antibodies and the antigen. Whatever type of the disease we have to wanted uh, and wanted to observe due to the use of the ELISA, you have to use the different type of the antibody, specific enzyme, specific antibody, specific antigen for every type of the disease. Different disease, different antibodies. Genotyping is the most sensitive method for detection of the rotavirus nucleic acid from the stool specimen. Genotyping form means કે જીનસ જેટલા પણ જીનસ ફોર્મ છે જીનોટાઇપિંગ ફોર્મ કે જેટલા પણ જીનસ જે છે કે જે ન્યુક્લિક એસિડ સિક્વન્સિંગ ફોર્મ દ્વારા આપણે ઓબ્ઝર્વ કરી શકીએ એની જેટલી પણ સિક્વન્સિંગ છે ને જેટલા પણ એના ન્યુક્લિક એસિડ વેઇટ છે એ પ્રમાણે આપણે જીનોટાઇપિંગ ફોર્મ કરીશું ઇલેક્ટ્રોફોરેસિસના રીઝન જે એનું પ્રિન્સિપલ છે. Treatment, what is the treatment? The treatment of the gastroenteritis is supporting correlation of loss of the water and the electrolytes. Correlation છે તો water loss and the electrolytes na secretion કરતી. Failure for prompt correlation of the dehydration leads to acidosis, shock and the death. જે શું કર્યું છે acidosis, shock and death નું observation કરશે. Correlation electrolytes remain the gold treatment in the rotaviral infection. Correlations means कि electrolytes से correlation remain करसे gold करसे rotavirus infection causing factor करते. Laser death is effective replacement therapies initiated. Laser the death of effective replacement therapies initiated. UNICEF or the WHO's RS sodium chloride because of the over dehydration. Due to that reason, ORS is recommended by the WHO guideline or the CDC's guideline. According to the WHO's guideline and the CDC's guideline, sodium chloride 3.5 grams, sodium bicarbonate 2.5 grams, potassium chloride 1.5 grams, glucose 20 grams to be dissolved in 1 titer on 1 liter of clean drinking water. Fluid replacement management consists of the replacement of fluid ORS and restorations of electrolytes balance. Oral rehydration therapy is highly effective in reducing morbidity and mortality rate. જીવન અને મૃત્યુનો સમય આવશે. Severe dehydration needs parenteral administration of the fluid. કે જે dehydration શું કરશે parenteral administration fluid નું severity form ઓછું કરશે. Basic measurement of the rotaviral prevention. What are the prevention factors? Keep your hands clean. Wash your hands often with soap and warm water after using the toilet, disappearing and before preparing or eating the food. Epidemiology. The rotaviral infections continue to be most important causes of the gastroenteritis in young children. Estimates range 3 billion to 5 million, 5 billion infection. Children is greater than 5 years age, highly susceptible to the infection, result in 1 million deaths. Impact on the hospital to up to the 50% of the cases of the acute gastroenteritis of the hospitalized children throughout the world are caused by the rotavirus. Winter seasons highly predisposing, no nosocomial infection needs the alteration. Prevention and control in the view of the fecal oral route. What are the prevention and what are the control? Simple students are the view of the fecal oral route of the transmission, wastewater management, safe water supplies, sanitization and significant control measures. It's a sanitizing form wastewater treatment and the fecal oral route transmission form. Fecal oral route द्वारा जितना पण disease cause થાય બધા foodborne infection द्वारा understand થાય. Vaccine in the 2016 oral bovine based rotaviral vaccine are licensed into the USA કે જે rotaviral infection જે છે observe થશે. અહીં આપણું rotaviral infection complete થાય છે. Next topic આપણે start કરીએ student.